Hello 18! Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. Meron tayong namataang post sa threads. Sabi ni Asia Music, some people dream of collabs. I dream of moments. SB19 singing What with the Philippine flag raised high. BTS singing Arirang with a South Korean flag raised high. Not competing, not comparing, just two groups proudly representing their culture on one stage. That would be legendary. Hashtag SB19, hashtag ARMY, hashtag 18, hashtag P-pop, hashtag K-pop, at syempre, hashtag BTS, hashtag Asian Music, hashtag Pinoy Pride, hashtag Korean Pride. This update in threads, not competing, not comparing SB19 at BTS, pero ang iba, pilit kinukumpara ang dalawa, kaya stop it. Samantala, narito ang mga komento, reaksyon, hati ang kanilang emosyon sa post na to. Not comparing, not competing, but they are raised different flag from South Korea and Philippines.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your fucking cloud. It be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, bitch I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease.